In order to add a sub user on your Bisect hosting server, please go ahead and open up your Bisect hosting server like you normally would. Then please go to the left menu and then select on this option that says users. From here, you'll get this option that says add sub user, and then all you want to do is you want to enter in their email. Now, including a sub user is incredibly useful because the sub user is able to make certain changes to your server. So anyways, just enter in the email right over here. Okay, now here's where things get really important. You want to give them the permissions that you want to give them. You want to make sure that whoever the sub user is, that it is someone that you can actually trust, and you can go ahead and adjust the permissions from here. Then you guys can also select on bulk actions, chat, sub users, file manager, notes, backups, etc. So you really need to go in depth when adding a sub user because a sub user could honestly make a lot of changes to your server. So you want to read through every one of these and you want to determine whether you want your sub user to have that particular permission. Okay, then select on invite user. And now that is going to send them an invite, and all they need to do is they need to go ahead and accept it. Then they'll be able to have access to your Minecraft server and they can make any adjustments. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.